This is a video showing a Russian armored convoy caught in a Ukrainian ambush on the way to Kyiv. And this showcases why it's so hard to invade and or occupy a place, because you're kind of a sitting duck. You are in these vehicles, you're moving into areas, not necessarily knowing what you're about to encounter, and it opens up the opportunity for the ambush. Nobody wants to be ambushed.
No.
You don't want that information gap. They can smell you from a mile away, right? They say, okay, we just got a call from the town over that they're going to be here. If they travel at roughly the same speed, maybe they have satellite imagery. I don't know what they have. And they say they're going to be here at this time. Let's get the rockets and the guns ready for when they roll in. Mm-hmm. And now you can be covert, you can hide, you can be prepared.
Right.
Well, this video clip does a great job of illustrating how this works. Go ahead and play a little bit of it, I guess. It's actually uploaded on YouTube if you want to go there. But actually, just scroll down. I believe it's embedded. You just got to get that mouse move in there, Will. And you can see how they set up, by the way. Actually, those are good images you're going to want to show off. Look at this. You know, you can set up dirt piles, and everybody's hiding.
Right, yeah.
Everybody's hiding.
Gotta look out.
Everybody's, keep going. Keep scrolling here. We have a map showcasing some of these operations. Keep going down. Oh, that was the embedded video at the top. I guess they're going to make you watch an ad first. That's what's going on. I mean, we got to show the video. It must be at the top, yeah. Maybe you got to hit a refresh. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. Like, what is with these websites? They want you click on an article which is about a Russian tank ambush, and you get a frisky groundhog. Like, what do they know that we don't know about Willie Do in his browser?
Yeah.
Frisky groundhogs. All right, so look at this town. You roll up. It's just a little pocket of houses alongside the road. Mm-hmm. You're just rolling in. You see how they keep the distance between the vehicles so that, like, one explosive can't, and check it out. Boom, bang, bang, bang. And you're going to see they start moving out. We're getting hit here. They start running back to their vehicles. Mm-hmm. We got to get out of here. We don't even know where, we can't spot where it's coming from.
No.
We got to roll out.
And then they're gone, just like that.
They got to roll out.
Whoa.
In the suburbs out. I mean, you just can't even imagine. You just can't even imagine. On either side of it. Just bombs going off. But, hey, when you're defending, there's an advantage. Mm-hmm. There's a strategic advantage to defending.
Home court advantage?
It's not time for those type of things.
Okay. But you get what I'm saying.
Not a time for those.
Yes, I agree with you, Mo.
Absolutely a home court advantage. Home court, home field, home stadium, home, all homes. Mm-hmm. You know the lay of the land. Like, somebody doesn't want to be an intruder in your place. You know everything.
Yeah.
You know the nook. You know the cranny.
Nice.
It's in the house.
I mean, you got Kovu, so leave him alone.
Yeah, that's true.
Kovu. I mean, he might not bite your face off, but he's gonna run into you pretty hard.
I'll show you a mean belly rub.
Your knees are gonna know about it.
Yeah.
The back of your leg's gonna know about it. He'll aggressively smell you.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be sore for 3.5 days.
But it is an intimidation factor regardless, because it's just you're just like, oh, there's a big dog over there.
And he's so loud when he's running at you.
Yeah, it's an intimidation factor regardless, no matter what. You better stay away from Mo's place. He knows the lay of the land. Mo's got the home court advantage.